This has to be the best tasting bone-in chicken recipe I have ever come up with. It's incredibly easy to make, healthy, and ready in just 20 minutes. If you eat like this and train every other day, तो muscles तो बनेंगे ना यार. You will gain muscles, and this tastes really good with the roti, and it's super easy to make. Just 20 minutes. Let's make it. Optional step but highly recommended. Soak chicken legs in a simple brine, 2 cups water and 1 tablespoon salt for 1 hour. This basically helps the chicken hold on to more moisture while cooking, so it stays super juicy. And the salt also goes inside the chicken, so the flavor is not just outside, it gets seasoned properly from within too. Now into a cooker, add 6 chicken legs, juice of 2 lemons, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon water, 1 teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon salt. That's it. And close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on high and 1 whistle on low. Let the steam settle and release naturally. Meanwhile, heat a non-stick pan and add just 10 grams butter and saute 1 sliced onion with 4 green chillies slit into 2 and some ginger juliennes. Now add everything from the cooker straight into the pan. Cover and cook for just 2-3 minutes. And that's it. Probably one of the easiest and best tasting bone-in chicken recipe you'll ever make. This came out so good that I'm eating straight out of the pan. If you want more recipes like this that helps you stay lean and build muscle, hit that subscribe button and join the community.